Hello, today guys we will be reviewing the differences between USB 3.0 and USB 2.0. So mainly the differences of USB 3 and 2 are that USB 3 is faster than USB 2. USB 2 was a standard a while ago now. USB 3 is becoming more of a standard. It's good. I used that flash drive I have. USB 3 works fine. No issues with it. Really fast. And let's just get right into the results. So to start off, I will be showing you the results of a dual flash drive thingy that can plug into an old whatever pin connector on the old iPads and like old iPods and stuff, and plug into a USB 2 port. So as you can see, small file sizes is kind of slow, and then around 64 kilobytes, it levels off at around 9.07 megabytes a second. Now I kind of screwed up, so like it's exactly because I screwed up and did something wrong, but it's practically an average of 9.8 or 7. And write is an average of 3.2 or 3.23. Our second results are of this only USB 2 flash drive that's red 8 gigabytes, and it's just USB 2, and as you can see in this picture, it's averaging around 26.29-ish read, and write it's averaging around 2.5 in the bigger file sizes, while the smaller file sizes are a little worse. And that's kind of how everything pulls up with this drive thingy kebab. And so yeah, and as you may see by this benchmark already, USB 3 is a lot better, because this is my USB 3 drive, 256 gigabytes. I love it. And as you can see on bigger file sizes, it's around 133, 132-ish read, and write is about 50-ish on the lower end, like 1 kilobyte and stuff. It's obviously slower. You can barely even see the write on 112 bytes, but it's still fast for that if you compare it to the other two. So that's why USB 3 is superior to USB 2. Now it's good to note that using USB 2 is better for a boot drive than USB 3, because USB 2 just seems to work better with a boot drive and installing Windows. And so generally, if you're doing an install of Windows, you should use a USB 2 drive as just a precaution. Now, if you want to use your USB 3 drive, you can, but I don't think it's recommended. If there's anything otherwise of anything I've said, let me down in the comment section below so I can fix it in the video and make the most accurate video I can possibly put out there, so I don't make any mistakes and spread inaccurate information. I'm just sharing what I've heard and what I know, and so it helps me a lot if you tell me what's wrong and right.